Hello everyone, welcome to ITLabBD YouTube channel. Today I trying to teach how you manage PrestaShop order section. First, I logging admin PrestaShop admin panel. After logging, you can see dashboard. Here, some visual section, how much order, how much earn net profit, etc. But for order management, you first need to go in order section. I go and order, and here you can see all order listed. I have some product listed and delivery. It's I change. You can also see some orders. Now I try to edit any one orders right now. Click view. Here you can see more options, which order, which product, order by client, order customer details, here customer shipping address, invoice address. Also you can print order, change order status. If you here have default order status, but if you want, then you can add more order status. I will show in last this how you add these options. But if you have this order accept, progress, fund, refund, then I have delivered and update status. Then you can see here view invoice, print order, and view delivery slip. I have, if required, you can see this PDF file. View invoice. If you invoice download, then you get something, this PDF file, product name, delivery address, billing address, here details of the products name, total products, and all information in this invoice section. Now we can check next step, invoice. In this section we can show daily or monthly and weekly invoice. We can generate this. Also here by order status, you can download invoice by order status, select and generate PDF by order status. If you here you can see 2 order for delivered and 1 shipped. If you select shipped, then generate PDF, then only shipped status order will generate it. Here have some invoice options, enable invoice, text breakdown, enable product image. If you want to show image in invoice section, invoice prefix, add current year invoice number. If you want to year number, add, and some settings you can see here. Then we will go credit slip. Here credit slip, custom returns, and here we listed custom returns all option on credit slip. And you can also can download by date from and to date and generate PDF. Delivery slip also like this. Delivery slip also you can deliver item, can PDF generate PDF. Shopping cart. Shopping cart, here all listed cart. When customer add in cart, then showing all log cart options. Now we going to order settings options. I was late in first in order setting. Here you can see in shop parameters, order setting. You can go in order setting. Here you can see some setting options. I let some your details right now. Another tab also status. You can see here add new status if you required. I was late before. If you required custom status, just add new and status name and option status, also your custom color icon, then save for our status. In other options you can see return status. Also you can add return status from here. Now order setting. If you enable this option final summary, then payment method address display all options in button for all summary and showing in order section. Enable guest checkout. If you went to guest also order, do not need to register your website, then you can select yes. Then also without password and username create your registration, user can order your product. This option disable reorder option. If user purchase any item, then if required the reorder, then you can also reorder from these sections. Here you can set minimum purchase amount, calculate shipping after order ending, display shipping. If you want shipping options, this section you can see the terms and condition. If you want to enable terms and condition, then yes, and select your CMS page terms and condition. I will show next video how you manage to CMS page in there. And then this option, gifts option, you can see gifts option here. You can product wrapping price, gift wrapping price, something settings here. This all are order PrestaShop admin. Thank you for everything.